if you're growing your hair out and your front has not caught up to the back length. And what I mean by that is when you look to the side, if your front part is shorter than the back, this is a way you can style your hair until you cut it again. So I'm just gonna pin that part that's shorter kind of back to create a half up, half down. First, you're gonna get volume and texture with the Euphoria Full Effect. You want texture and grip. It's gonna help with volume and make it not look so flat. Then I'm gonna start creating that backwards flow of the hair with the Kevin Murphy Session Spray. You can see I'm already creating the shape. And all you need is 2 bobby pins. Put the bobby pin right above the ear. And the other one, what I love about it is like it looks like you just have a bob with it half up, half down. I think it's so cute. You can flip the ends out or you can keep them like this. But this gives you a little more wiggle room until our next cut, which is coming soon.